I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting.
Hey beauties, welcome back to another vlog. I am in Aruba, as you saw, and I'm currently in a hurry to try to finish doing my makeup and get ready for hubby and I to go out to eat for dinner. So I just wanted to hop on and say welcome to the vlog. Ooh, we in Aruba. I'm so excited. We came back in 2021, fell in love with Aruba, the people, the place is beautiful. I wanted to come back for our vacation, I guess you could say.
I'm so cozy.
She's strong.
That's the first thing I ate.
Oh, good. You like it?
What?
The ceviche, like everything.
Good. What are these, lima beans?
I don't think so.
Nah,
I think
they
they're
They don't look like no beans.
yuca beans, like yuca potatoes. I don't know. Okay, your first one from so bad. Thank you guys so much for watching it. Next time I go on vacation, the vlog will be a lot longer just because I will have a better idea of how to record for the vlog. And this is, you know, all trial and error. I'm trying to get past the phase of being a perfectionist and just get it out there so we can build a relationship and build community together. So I hope you enjoyed my little trip. It was a short trip. It was only like 3 days. I hope you got some inspiration for you to take your own vacation soon, girlfriend, because we need to take breaks, okay? If you haven't already, if you're new, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.